Welcome back, scholars. So today we're going to take a look at how to create additional upgrade buttons for our shop section. So if we head over to our shop, we get to see this one upgrade button, 2 times upgrade, 50 points. And if we look over at that particular button, we see the code associated with that button. And what we have here, we have when the sprite is clicked, right? When we click that button, we basically make a decision using this conditional statement, which is the if statement. If points is greater than 50, then we say upgraded. We change points by negative 50, so we basically subtract 50 points, and then we change the value of click value by multiplying it by 1. And then if we don't have enough points, or in other words, points is less than 50, then we just say not enough points. So let's test it out right now. We have 0 points, and what's going to happen is the else code is going to run. Not enough, right? So what we're going to do is quickly change the value of points so we don't have to click through, make it above 50. And then head over to the shop, and what's going to happen is, since now we have our point value is greater than 50, these 3 lines of code are going to run. Where you're going to see it's going to say upgraded. The value of points is going to be subtracted here by 50, so we'll end up with 19. And then the click value is going to be multiplied by 1. In this case, it's going to turn into 2. So let's test it out. So upgraded, subtract 50. And then the click value is worth 2, and if we go back, we see that it's actually working. And the best way of doing this is by clicking here, and since most of the work is already done, we can do a 2-finger click and then duplicate. And then we're gonna have the same exact code twice, and if we go to the shop, we'll see it here, right? So first thing I'm going to do is detach this code, so when I click it, this doesn't run, and I'm able to organize it. So I'm just going to place it right here for now. Then I'm going to decide what I want to make out of this button. And in this case, I'm just going to do a +1 upgrade. So instead of ×2, I am going to click on the T here, edit the text, +1, and what that's going to do is basically add 1 to the click value, and then head back to code. I also have to decide how much this is going to cost. So let's just say I want this to be worth 20 points. Change that there, and I also have to reflect it here in my code. Instead of 50, this is going to be 20. And then I'm also going to subtract 20 instead of 50. Now here, I need to get rid of this because this is what's going to change the click value, and this is going to be the +1. This and this should stay the same, so let's just make sure that this is working fine. Upgraded, should change to 3. We could run it again, it should change to 4. Fantastic, it's working fine. So that's a quick way to create a different type of upgrade button. Now it's your turn. Let's fill this shop up with different upgrade options. Add as many as you like, but we should try to fill up the screen so the user has multiple options to choose from. Great job today. I look forward to seeing your work. And remember to like and subscribe.